SGW-12A CNC bending machine. SGW-12A CNC bending machine. The design of this machine is collective mechanism, electricity, and implement in a host. With compact structure, high reliability, and flexibility, it can deal with 5 to 13 micrometer of single wear. Also can deal with 5 to 10 micrometer of double wear. The bending organization is driven by servo motor. Numerical control system controls the angle of bend and the action of bend axis. Make sure the molding precision of hooping after cutting organization receive the cutting to length signal that calculate and controlled by numerical control system. It soon finish the cutting action, ensure the cut to length accuracy. This equipment can be operated by one worker, can instead of 25 to 30 concrete reinforcement workers. The controlling system adopts PLC, have a touch screen, can adjust the general hooping pattern directly, and all kind of graph that CAD needs realize full automatic break forming.